In this video, we're going to find the equation of an exponential function given the initial value and a point. It says, construct the exponential function that contains the points 0, -2, and 3, -128. The first thing we want to review is what an exponential function is. So that's y equals ab to the x. And then there's one thing to note, that the y-intercept is a. So the reason the y-intercept is a is because if you take the original function, y equals ab to the x, and you were to try to find the y-intercept, and to find any y-intercept, you substitute 0 for x. So you would substitute 0 for x there, and that would be a b to the 0. B to the 0 is 1, so you end up with y equals a times 1, so y equals a. So the y-intercept is a. So that's why I wrote that the y-intercept is a here, because in order to find it, you plug 0 in for x. So we know that 0, -2 is the y-intercept. So that tells me right away that I can write, I'm just going to kind of box this off, I can write that a is equal to -2. So if I know a is equal to -2, I can then write the equation y equals -2 b to the x power. And then I can use this coordinate, which is x is 3 and y is -128, to find the b value. So I'm going to plug in -128 and plug in the 3 value for x. We're going to divide by -2 on each side, and I end up with 64 equals b cubed. I'm going to take the cube root of this, which is just to the 1/3 power, so I'll write 64 to the 1/3 is equal to b cubed to the 1/3 power. Obviously, power to a power, you multiply the powers, and 3 times 1/3 would be 1. So you end up with b equal to 64 to the 1/3 power, that is 4. So I can write my equation now, y equals -2 times 4 to the x power.